Good afternoon, teacher. I'm going to talk about the activity I often do during my weeks. What time do I get out? I usually get out at 7 o'clock. What I do in the morning? At 7:30 go to the CrossFit. When do you go to work or college? I am vacation now. I work my phone with tears and emergencies or when insemination is needed for large animals. Do you have breakfast at home or somewhere else? Does my mom make me breakfast? I sometimes have to make my own breakfast. What my morning routines and train wait for an emergency or for insemination whether in the getting pills or watch TikTok. What my afternoon routine in the afternoon I do professional internship 1 at 6 p.m. What do I at night? Play Free Fire on phone with my friends. What time do I go to bed? Usually around 10 or 12 p.m. These are my routine from Monday to Friday. So meeting, I play soccer, my friends, and I are with Professor Esteban